Are you a full-time traveller or weekend warrior, or just someone that just loves capturing content? We're looking for AllSpark brand ambassadors to support our content production across the AllSpark brand. As an AllSpark brand ambassador, we'll give you access before the public to newly released products, product testing, and obviously products at a discounted price. As an AllSpark brand ambassador, you'll get involved in giveaways, promotions, and discounted products. You'll need to be proficient in the use of camera equipment such as drones and other camera devices, as long as it's not an iPhone, and having the ability to create content with AllSpark products so we can help promote them through our social media channels. So to become an AllSpark brand ambassador, all you need to do is send us your videos or photos showing us the AllSpark products you have in use. It could be getting up in the morning, turning on your coffee machine and showing power of your inverter and battery that's powering your coffee machine. It doesn't matter what it is, as long as it's one of our products in use. We're using a jump starter, LED strip lights, head torches, circuit breakers, solar panels, whatever it is, doesn't matter. As long as it's got the AllSpark brand in there, we would love to see your content. We'll help you promote your brand through the necessary social media channels. Click the link below to become an AllSpark brand ambassador today.